Hello. One of the roofs. Yeah, watch out, there's ants and stuff.
Like,
Subscribe.
click the bell, please.
Thank you.
Going to get breakfast and head up to trying to go to the top of the mountain today. Someone moved the scooter, which kind of freaks me out. So we'll see if there's still gas in it. So we are taking the northern part, a different route down to the breakfast. But why did the chicken cross the road? On this island, we've had chickens run in front of us, literally like the road will be wide open like this, and then last second a chicken will run in front of you. So I can see where the question, why does the chicken cross the road? Where did that question came from? Because I keep asking why. Why do they wait until that get right there, and why did the chicken run right in front of me? It's like they're asking you to hit them. Anyway, we're hoping to get to the top of the mountain, so we're on our way, going to get breakfast. Okay, we're looking for a turn to head up towards the mountain. We just had breakfast at our favorite cafe, the 3 Bean, and there were There were 2 Americans, 1 Canadian, 1 British dude. They were talking diving, what was the law? Byron's law? Boyle's law. Yeah, and a bunch of other stuff while we were there. So it was kind of fun. That's more there's actually 3 Americans, because another American walked in while we were there. That's the most Americans I've seen together in one spot while I've been traveling. So we're looking for the route up to the mountain, and this is a nice little spot, so I figured I would take a picture of it before we get. So this is the Texana Vacation House. There's the information, and we're still looking for our turnoff coming up. So we found our turnoff. We're about halfway up the mountain. There's some roads. They're built, or they're being repaired here, so it's actually pretty nice most of the way. Some of the roads are a bit rough, but even up here there's nice roads compared to other places. Hello. Hello. This is Altavista. Look at the size of this tree. This tree is amazing. Yeah, that tree is huge. I just can't get the size of it. It covers this whole area. Alright, so we're going to try and see. This is the Altavista, the town. We're trying to look at the actual view. Altavista heading towards the quarry. I don't know that there's actually an overlook. I think that we might have picked just the town instead of like someone was saying there was the top of a mountain and you can get a great view. And I think I might have picked the wrong spot. He said it was Altavista. So that's it. We're going to go up to the quarry and see what we can see. Okay, so we drove up to that cell phone tower. I'll show you in a second. We're coming down this little hill. We went up to that cell phone tower there. You can see the gate. The guy said that, yeah, it's 200 meters this way. Coming down that hill, this scooter's brakes are not exactly well maintained. So we're gonna be having fun going back down. But this is the overlook from Altavista. They say head towards the quarry, and this is where you end up coming. Woo. There? Actually, yes. Okay, hold on. We'll go down a little ways and look, but otherwise I see a path going up to the top of that rock. That actually looks like a good spot there. Oh yeah, you can see it through the trees. The scooter keeps bottoming out. Maybe here. Okay, I think we found it. That's fine, I'll pay an entrance. Sure, all this way. How much is
Pilate. 10 per person. Wow, it's a nice view.
Okay, so we did find it. I'm gonna drive over here. Park the scooter. Okay, this place is amazing. Sorry about the camera. I'm doing one hand in scooter work. Quary and View Park. Pretty cool. I'm glad we found. You never would know this was up here. So yeah, you come up to the town of Altavista, head towards the quarry.
Wow, what a nice view.
I know, look at that view. That's the cell phone tower. We were just there. This is the view from this place. This is kind of amazing. It's beautiful.
You can see the whole island.
I know, you can see the whole island over there. You see the whole lake, mountains. And from the road coming up here, I mean, we're like probably the only people that are going to be up here. This camera is wide angle, so it's not really doing it justice, but you can see all over. So that's the ocean resorts area we went to yesterday. That's the high mountains. That's Lake Dano, and that over there is that little tiny island in our resort. It's amazing. Okay, yeah, this place really is beautiful, amazing. It's cool. It's not hot up here. It says Altavista Quarry View Park. We sell Turmac Pure, Table Pure, the table charge. So there's table charge, there's corkage fees, there's tenting, there's halo. If you bring your own food, they rent those little huts down there in a second. This is the food, but there's nobody up here. Like there was one lady, and she was working at the stand out front, and there's nobody else here. We are the only people. This is the back side, or the other side, I guess. This is the side towards the north, I guess. Yeah, towards the northish. But I guess they have little get-togethers up here, so you could probably have like a birthday party, wedding reception, whatever up here. I'm not sure what they do. These, I don't know, they said they rented little cabins, but that doesn't look like it. That actually looks like somebody who's actually living there. The gardens are beautiful though, the flowers. You see the pictures. I mean, this place is so. After the drive, I would never have guessed this was up here. I thought it was just going to be like a little mountaintop. Yeah, definitely worth the trip. And that tree in the Altavista town was huge. That's one of the biggest trees I've seen in the Philippines. It literally covered the whole hill and over the top of the school. You really couldn't get the perspective that we were showing, but we drove underneath it from the bottom, and that whole school was covered by that tree. I do like big trees. Yeah, so we were just saying you could see Ormoc. Or how do you say it?
Ormoc.
You can see Ormoc right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's literally the big island right there. You can see. So we were trying to figure out where it was, but yeah, you can see quite a bit from where we are. Cebu's out that way. We're looking that way right now. Okay, we're on our way out. We're gonna drive through Altavista one more time, and then we have one more place we're gonna try and stop and check out. Yeah, that tree. See how big that tree is? Oops, sorry. So you can't really see it, how big it is. We'll get on a closer look. I almost hit that guy's sticks. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, put it up there. Just hold it up. See that it covers that whole school area. Hello. And that's Altavista. Beautiful place. It's a ways from the main road, but I mean, everybody is super nice. No pollution, only roosters. No traffic at all. Other than that, was that not a water buffalo, but a cow pulling a log. Okay, so that's the sign right by the gas station. We're going to Buho Rock Resort, 300 meters. And we drove right by it and missed it. Look at the size of this tree. Another huge tree on the road. Monster. Okay, so next to the electric power plant. National Power Corporation, Camotes. So that's the plant that runs down all the, it goes off every night. So this must be a big generator. And this is it. Alright, so. Yep. Okay, jump off.
So the insurance is 10 pesos for 10 years old below and 20 for 11 years old above.
Hello. Oh, sorry. You have the clip?
Nope.
Yeah. So what's the name of this place again?
Buho Rock. Buho Rock.
Okay, Buho Rock. Well, I gotta take this shirt off. And they got the radio station going the whole time. And that is it. So this is a ambulance crew, or paramedics doing training. We saw the ambulance parked outside. Yeah, let's go down here first, take a look at it. And it appears they're doing some kind of construction on one of the roofs. Yeah, watch out, there's ants and stuff. Hey, there's a little table down there, you see that? Table?
Yeah. Maybe you can
Bring your lunch, yeah. Water slides. Hey. So you can jump off. That's your high dive right there.
there and there.
Okay, I'll record. You go.
I can't do that.
And that is it. We're gonna walk over along the edge of the cliff a little bit. This was her pick on things to do. Mine was the Altavista, and this was something she found. So we came out here. It's not bad, it's cool. We can actually go swimming down there. It's a little dirty on that side. This side's much better. There's steps that goes down for swimming. I was talking to one of those Americans at the coffee place. He was saying that he didn't have air conditioning a while ago, and he would come to some of these swim places just to get out of the heat for a while. But now he has AC. He says he rarely leaves, which is kind of sad. I mean, if you're here, tropical paradise, I guess you want to see it. But I think that's the problem with getting settled down somewhere. You get into a routine and then you just are kind of hanging out. I like to try and keep pushing my routine and get it, not get into a routine, continue to do different stuff, because I can feel it. As soon as I get somewhere I'm comfortable, I start going to the same places to eat. I start doing the same routine and walking. So it's nice to go to a different island every few weeks and break it up. Very nicely done CR. There's someone sleeping up there? Okay. Yeah, so that's where we came from. Those are the training lifeguards. And this is the pool and resort area. So these are the actual places you can rent. This is a resort, so you can go online and find this. Hey. Pool's nice. It's a nice pool.
Sea salt water.
Yeah, I can't
Seawater.
taste it. Yeah, I'm interested in the price for this place compared to some of the other ones we've seen. And that's the island that we came from, across the way. And the Buho Rock. We're on our way out. I don't know. I've never seen this type of car before.
Me too.
What kind of car is that? It's the craziest looking car I think I've seen. Oh, it's a Toyota? Toyota something. I don't know. Never seen that one before. What did you say the name of this college was? Cebu Technical University. Look at that. Yeah, this truck. Look at this truck. It's a Ford Ranger they don't sell in the US yet. The hot 8 base. I think it's coming up right here. Maybe not. That was full of bananas. Schoolhouse there. Let's get a picture of this house. It's got a US flag on it. I've seen more Americans on this island than on, like, what, the last 3 islands combined.